people, happy Sunday. I hope you're all well and good. So today's video is a lounge haul. It is the clothing and apparel part to this haul. I have done a part 1 / the first part of this haul in the previous video. If you haven't already seen that, then go check that out. It's the lingerie and intimates parts of lounge, and now I'm going to show you the clothing and apparel. So I did the Valentine's Day collection, which, oh my god, if you haven't already seen that video, wow, they are absolutely stunning pieces. But I'm actually so excited to get into the clothing part of lounge because I feel like they're very underrated. Lounge clothing and apparel. Is it apparel or apparel? Just let me know down in the comment section down below. But they are so underrated. I have the most amazing teddy fleece to show you in this haul. It's like a teddy zip up fleece that's so cozy with the lounge embroidery. I'm getting into it already because I am so excited. If you are new to lounge, they are investment pieces. They are on the higher end of investing your money into clothing, but I've said this in the previous haul, lounge are that brand to invest in. They are so amazing, quality pieces that will last you. And I'm excited to show you the pieces that I picked up. Say goodbye to my bank account, please, because wow. There are some pieces that I may send back, but of course in this haul you'll get my opinions on what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep and the reasons why. But majority of I would actually keep them all, but it's just certain colours that would go into my wardrobe, etc, etc. We're getting into the video already. Before we get into it, please make sure to subscribe either now or at the end of the video, just so you get notified whenever I upload new content, new hauls, new mindset, glow up series coming soon. I'm so excited to drop you some more little golden nugget advice for lifestyle, for mindset, for being the best version of yourself. If you're in store for that, then subscribe to the community. We love supporting each other here with our goals, also feeling good, aka this lounge haul. So let's get straight on into it, and I hope you're well. Happy Sunday. Are we ready for the next section to the lounge underwear and apparel haul? Let me just say there's so many goodies in this haul. Packaging, by the way, from Lounge is always amazing. So I did get a few different shades of their cozy ribbed leggings, which are £55. I said at the start, Lounge is quite an investment, but I have to say, after trying on these leggings, they are the perfect fit and are so dreamy. So here I've got the cozy ribbed leggings in black. So starting off, we have a really nice wide waistband. These are in a size large and they literally fit like a glove. I know they don't look like the sizing right now, but they are so stretchy. This is what I mean, they fit like a glove to your body. We've got the Lounge logo on the back. Oh my god, gorgeous people, look at this logo here. It is so nice. And we've got this little V detailing on the bum. Sort of gives you like this nice scrunchy kind of bum vibe. By the way, what do you think about this filming setup? So it's a little bit sunny today, so I thought I'd keep the angle here from the sun. And then I've also got my ring light, and then I thought I'd put the mirror here to bounce off the light in the room. And then I got my pampas grass. Might have moved because I keep kicking it. But obviously behind this pampas grass is just basically the mess from each and every haul that happens in this spot. Because goodbye to my bank account balance, because I love Lounge and I just want to keep everything, but I have to be completely honest, I'm gonna have to send some pieces back because otherwise the bank's gonna be like, hello, why are you giving all your money to Lounge? That's a long explanation to this filming setup, but let me know down below if you actually like this setup here. As I was saying, £55 for these cozy ribbed leggings. They are ribbed all the way through, really, really nice. Gives you that nice like structure and contour to your body. You've got a gorgeous tapered ankle here, and what I like about these, they're just so contoured to your body and they don't give you like any gaping anywhere. Like they literally suck you in, and this is why I think Lounge has the price point that they do, because it's literally catered to your body shape and makes you feel so good. And obviously their reputation is one, but I do really like the waistband here. I like the cozy rib effect. I think actually they are meant to be more of like the cozy everyday lounge clothes, but I like to wear them as gym clothes. Like, I dress them up as if I would wear them to the gym. This is the first colour, so I did get these in 2 other colours. But before I show you the other shades, I'm going to show you what I combined the cozy ribbed leggings with, which is this long sleeve essentials top. It's a zip up top in a size medium. This was £45. I do really love this. I styled it up as a gym wear fit, and I really liked the way it looked as like a gym wear fit. It was so stunning. My only concern was, should I have sized up to a large? But I did like the way the medium fit. I love how simple the collar is, because it gives you this like nice sitting point when you actually unzip this. But you can see the neckline, it's just a simple round neck. You've got the Lounge logo there, and also on the back of the neck. It's just a really nice essentials long sleeve top. And I was just wondering whether or not to size up to the large. That was my only thought there. But I really like the way the sculpture middle really makes you feel feminine. The zip is a nice quality zip. Yeah, it's just really nice. What can you say? It's just a really nice zip. It goes with the vibe. It's just a very vibey jacket slash top. It's meant to be a zip up top, but I think it's more of like a jacket personally. Like I said, I've styled it up as a gym wear fit, and this was £45. I do really like it. Do I size up to a large? That was my only thing, but I do like it as a gym wear fit. I have next up another shade of the cozy ribbed leggings. This is in the shade June, and I actually got, I can't tell if I got them all in petite, but these are a petite pair, and they are all £55 for the cozy ribbed leggings. You've got the gorgeous Lounge logo. I really love this shade. This shade is so nice. And I love that you have the petiteness to them. If you're a shorter gal like me, I'm 5'3", and they fit really, really well. And they're just so nice. I can tell why they're called cozy ribbed leggings, because they are like such a pair of cozy leggings. With Lounge as well, you've got all these cuttable labels, so you can cut out all the labels. It just says, stop scrolling, get cozy, meditate, worry less, adore, embrace, be you. We love you, Lounger. That is so cute. Oh, I love that. And you've got the Lounge tag there as well. All this branding just literally makes Lounge who they are. And I love the fact with the crotch as well, it's not too much. You know when you can have some crotches where they're just like, why is there a lot of detail there? It's just nice and simple, and is really comfortable in that area. It's not gapey at all. Like I said, these really, really sculpt you. They are £55, but I feel like I do really like the black and the June colour. They are just so nice. The cozy rib leggings, I hate to stay. I just love the packaging to Lounge as well. They're so amazing. So this next piece does have makeup on it, because I got makeup on it. It is the Essentials Grey Fitted t-shirt. I love this t-shirt. This was actually £35, which isn't too bad. I feel like the quality of this, I'll explain to you now, is worth it. So you've got this gorgeous little Lounge logo here, all across the back of the neck. And then when you actually turn it around, you have Lounge at the top of the neck as well, embroidered. And it is just a basic fitted t-shirt. I got it in a size medium. It's so lovely because you can make it into a really nice crop. I love t-shirts like this where they're a short sleeve, they're essentials. I feel like £35 is actually quite a nice price point for the quality of this piece. I just really, really like this detailing here, and then the Lounge on the back. I just love the embroidery placement of all the Lounge pieces. And again, they have the detail to the shape and how this fits on you. I just feel like all their pieces are very thought out and how they make you feel. And I wonder if there's a quote on this one as well, but you've got the Lounge tag there. Just all this branding just makes Lounge, and this was £35 for this Essentials Fitted short sleeve t-shirt. This next piece is one of the pieces that I need your help with. So this is a hook and eye top. It's a long sleeve scoop neck top. It was £40 and I really do like the colour of it. I love the ribbedness and I love the lounge detailing on the back. It's one of those tops where I don't know whether to keep or not. I do really like it and I love the way it fits and like everything like that because it is lounge and I do just love all the pieces, but I'm sort of on the fence with it, and I think one of those things when you're on the fence about something, I need another opinion whether to keep it or not. So please let me know, do you love this piece? It's got the lounge branding on the back there and it actually has more of a double lining to this part here, which I really like. So it is like just one of those essential hook and eye tops, but because you can actually adjust how many hooks you have on, it makes it a bit more feminine, which I love that about this top. It's just one of those do I keep or do I not pieces. So yes, I styled it up very cozily and very just like I don't know how to style this, is what if I was going to keep it. I think I'm on the fence with it because if I was going to keep it and not use it as like a cozy piece, how would I style it? And I see that in my pieces, like would I style it with jeans or how would I style it? Let me know down below how you would style this piece and whether or not I should keep it or not. This next piece, we have another pair of the cozy ribbed leggings. This was the shade where I wasn't sure whether to keep or not. It's the shade Espresso. I really liked the cozy ribbed leggings and how they looked on the models, so the reason why I did get 3 shades. Again, £55, all in the size large. Yes, just double checking. But I really like this shade if I was looking at it, but it's one of those shades where how would I style it on a daily basis? So I'm thinking like a white top, you know, it'd have to be quite like a subtle because it is quite like a strong shade and it's got this green tinge. It's like this greeny browny. It's one of those where you have to have the whole fit to sort of fit the vibe. Like you've got to have either like white with it or like white trainers or something like that. Like, do you know what I mean? If you styled it up with different pieces, I'm such a basic person now. I'm thinking like, it's just a bit of colour. I'm scared of the colour. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, I could just not wear this with this, for example. I don't know what. I like certain shades to be easy to work with. And I feel like this shade is one of those shades where it would be a little bit harder to work with on a daily basis. That is what I'm trying to say. So, I don't know if I'll keep this shade, but I do like the colour. I do like the colour, but it's one of those, like, would you wear it with every single piece in your wardrobe? Like a time capsule wardrobe. One of my ins for this year was being more time capsule. So, like, black is obviously a time capsule colour, and the beige, the June colour. I love that colour because I'm a beige girl. But, like this is a little bit out there for me, like this purple shade. But I like this because it's feminine. And then this is, like, one of those shades you wouldn't wear this with this every day, whereas this you could just pair with like black or beige and neutral. I'm very neutral, aren't I? But yeah, this is the last shade in the cozy rib leggings. I went on such a rant there. Thank you if you're still here. I have the coziest fleece ever to go. Okay guys, last but not least, we have the cozy zip fleece that I have been teasing, which is this gorgeous fleece right here. I know, it is so incredible. First of all, the shade is so beautiful. We have this embroidery that says lounge. This is the fleece that I was raving about. So it's £65. It is this gorgeous, gorgeous colour. The colour just sells you on it. So the fleecing material is so perfect. It literally, when you touch it, it's like coziness. Get a cup of tea or coffee and a biscuit. And you've got the lounge logoing all across the collar. The gorgeous lounge logo there as well. I got it in a size medium and it fits so nicely. So with this fleece as well, it sort of caters to the bottom of your shape as well. It doesn't box you off. It sort of gives you like this nice little tuck in with this shape. and it's just all to do with this fleecing and inner lining here. I think they've made the waistband a lot shorter around here to sort of give you that little cater to the bottom of the fleece itself. You got the pockets which have zips on them. So nice having a little zip feature, because they could have easily not had the zip, and we need to have all our snacks in our pocket when we go to the shop in this gorgeous fleece, which I styled up in like a cute loungy apparel socks trainers vibe, which I just adored. It made me feel so cozy, and I just really like the shade of this piece. So this is the piece that I was raving about, guys. You need it. It's £65, which I thought was really nice for this cozy zip fleece. I just love the shade. It's totally a bit of me, and if you wanted a bit more oversized, then I would definitely recommend to size up, but it does sort of give you a nice amount of room. The lining is so soft, but it sort of makes you feel like you're just catered to at the bottom, and doesn't make you feel boxy, but it's also really nice fitting. Like, it's a nice cozy sort of slightly oversized, but then they've got the fitting at the bottom, so you feel like it's like perfectly made for you. So this is the fleece of all time that I've been raving about, because it is a cozy essential. The only thing with this fleece is how long I'm going to wear it for now, because how long is this winter going to last? Until summer's around the corner. So I need to get the full wear of this fleece while I can, and while I can enjoy the little cozy season, because it's so cozy. I'm sad to put this in the wardrobe for spring when that rolls around, but I'm also excited for spring. But this is your last cozy essential. I would 100% recommend to pick one up. If you want that cozy vibe, if you're a cozy girly, then this is a total must in your wardrobe. I cannot believe that I've come to the end of this video and it's still light outside. It's still a little bit sunny, so the nights are drawing out. Are we going into spring? Oh my god, this means I've got to wear this cozy fleece as much as I can while it's still a bit windy in the air. And if you're wondering whether to buy this or not, because it is drawing out if you're in the UK, I would 100% still buy it, because you are going to be setting yourself up for coziness for next autumn. But I am looking forward to spring, which brings me on to next week's video, which is going to be a huge women's best clothing haul and a mini supplements haul. We're talking spring summer. Set aside the cozy fleece for now. We're talking spring summer for next week's video. We're still cozy in this week's video, but next week's video I'm bringing you spring summer with gym wear fits, and wearing these cute gym wear fits to the gym, getting ourselves motivated. So if you are excited for that and want to see what I picked up from Women's Best, then subscribe and click the notification bell just to get alerted whenever I post new videos, which is normally on a Sunday at 10 AM. So thank you so much for watching this one. I'm excited to see you all next week. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.